Chocolate na?
Happy birthday.
Smile! Peekaboo! Hi! Oh, peekaboo!
Nag-move yung kanyang ano.
Sarah Pie!
What do you like? Where's your book? Where did your book go?
Siya.
What?
Mapagod. Paatras.
No.
What does it say? It says fork. See? There's the fork. Sarah Pie. Where's Peekaboo? See, Peekaboo. No? Lots of stickers for you. Hey, you.
Sarah. Baby. What's that?
Hey. Your cake looks nice. Ay, ang cute mo. Akala ko pang first birthday mo to. Hindi pala award. No, is kasha na. So, kasha na.
Like yung kanyang ano, di ba?
It's on your face. May one. Ito tayo. Open na lang natin.
Okay mo na. Ayan, tinitignan niya.
Yun, this one. What's this one? The old, right?
What's your gift? It's a dress?
No. This one. What's this one, Sarah? See? Oh.
Meron ba siyang activity center?
Ah,
Activity center?
saan?
The one you can...
Ito?
No,
No.
yung sa
Ah, meron. Isa.
yung iniikot na gano'n, then may dial, may
Ay, wala pa.
sound.
Oh, wala pa. Ha? Gigil. What's that? Gigil. Gigil siya, gigil. Ah! Yung mga dial.
Words. Eat my words. Words. Where are your words?
There's your pillow. All pillows. Naku, she's more interested with this.
What's that?
This one.
The tag? Where's my book?
There's your pillow for sleeping.
There, you have another gift. Taste it. Is it good?
Replacement for food.
See, she's a big girl na. She can sit so
Hi.
long.
Hi! Huh? Ah. So what are you doing? You're posing there. Huh? You like to pose?
Looking pretty. Looking pretty. Sarah.
Sarah Pie. I'm so busy.
Sleeping. How smart that baby. Huh? What do you do with the pillow? Big girl na siya.